Hey guys, this is Derek from Golide Off-Road, and today we have more upgrades to the Lexus. As you guys know, last time we installed the bumper, lights and the winch. So today the first thing we're gonna start with is installing this Factor 55 Pro Link, which gonna go in place of the factory hook that came with the winch. That's ugly, and this is much better, a safe winch system. I think it's gonna look much sleeker on the front. Also, we have a Ironman snorkel for the Land Cruiser 120, which is also gonna fit the Lexus GX470. I'm going to start with installing this Factor 55. It's an easy install, so let's get this out of the way. All the tools we need are these long nose pliers and snap ring pliers. First, I need to remove this hook, and in order to do that, I'm going to free spool the winch a little bit to give me some more space to work with. And now I can remove this cotter pin, holding this pin in, and slide it out so I can install the new Factor 55. I got the hook off, so now we can start installing the Factor 55. All we need to do is remove this snap ring. Now we can slide the pin out and install our winch line. All we have to do now is reinstall the snap ring. And done. The Pro Link is on and it looks clean. Matches the front bumper powder coat and everything. As you can see, it was a easy and fast install, so we got this out of the way. Now we can move on to the snorkel. Okay, let's unbox it and see what's inside. So this is what comes in the box. We have a snorkel, we have a tube that will connect to the airbags, cap for the snorkel, a hardware box, and a template. First, we need to tape up the fender so we don't damage the paint. I'm going to pop the hood so we can remove the airbags and all the air ducts from underneath the fender. Now I can move on to installing this template on the fender. I carefully placed the template on the fender because the last thing I want is a crooked snorkel. So now all I need to do is trace the holes from the template and start drilling. Okay, I got my holes marked, so now I can move on to the drilling. And I got my drill right here with the small bit because you always want to start with the smaller one and then move to the bigger one. So let's do it right now. I got the holes done, so now I can use some paint to touch up the exposed metal parts, and we can move on to the installation. Before we can install the snorkel, we need to add these studs. The snorkel comes disassembled, so we have to do some assembly. Instructions call for a blue Loctite, so that's what we are gonna do right now. Now we can install the studs. So I installed the snorkel, connected all the air ducts to it, assembled the airbags back to where it was before. So the last thing to do is install this nice cap on the snorkel, and we are done. Okay, I got the snorkel installed. It looks awesome, and the quality seems to be pretty good too. If you like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. In the next video, we're gonna be installing rock sliders on that thing, so stay tuned. See ya!